that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space.
So I wasn't at work yesterday because I had to go get my PVC, even though I couldn't get it at the end of the day. More than 50% of those who watch my videos are in Nigeria, so I'm addressing Nigerians. We must vote, guys. I know that the situation in this country is becoming so discouraging that some of us are becoming hopeless, and somehow we think our vote doesn't count, and many of us, guys, please, this is the least we can do. This is like the only opportunity we have. We know some people want to buy votes. Why would they buy votes if your vote doesn't count? Have you thought of that? Please, please, please go get your PVC and let us vote for the right persons. I'm calling on youth because sincerely the older generation, I don't know what's up with them. We have to do something better. We have to do better for this country. Please go get your permanent voters card and make sure that you vote for the right candidate. Now we have these two parties that consist of mainly the same set of people, but the two major parties we have on this country, if we want to be sincere with ourselves, they are the same set of people, just jumping from one party to the other party. These two parties, guys, think well before you vote. They are going to bring out their candidates and all of that. Vote a credible person. If possible, don't even vote from those two parties. We have another option this time. We've had opportunity of seeing into the personality, leadership quality of some other candidates. Let us give those people a chance. So people say, Nigeria is a two-party system. I get all of that. I understand all of that. But I still choose to believe that if the youth decide we're going to do something different this time. See, if you keep doing the same thing year in, year out, nothing will change. Things will remain the same. Guys, I just decided to lend my voice in this matter. Okay, guys, let's start the vlog. So now, away from the election and INEC-ish, I have two goals today, two major goals. One is to film a sit-down talk video. Somebody requested a while ago that I film a video on how much YouTube pays Nigerian sewing content creators. And I now realized I was so curious. Although I came into YouTube not really considering, even though I know I could be paid, but that was not like my goal at the beginning. I was just focused on creating good content, and I think that really helped, guys. Else I would have been frustrated out of this place. So yeah, but I was curious all the same. I was wishing somebody would make a video and tell us how much exactly can YouTube pay sewing content creator and all that. And I get it, many people are not comfortable talking about their finances. Sometimes it gets uncomfortable because people judge you based on what you earn. They put you in a particular class, and sometimes you don't just want to be treated that way. You just want to, keep people in the dark and do your thing all the same. So yeah, but no, I'm setting that aside, and I'll be creating a video on how much YouTube paid me. I think I'm comfortable with talking about how much I was paid in the first year of monetization. Maybe subsequently I will pick up a particular month and we can analyze it. The truth is, at the beginning it can be frustrating, but it gets better. And so I think that will help one or two persons looking into starting up a YouTube channel. I'll also explain how that has changed over the month. And I'm hoping today, because I'm still kind of scripting and marking out the things I know are important for me to talk about in that video. It has been in my plan for a while, but I haven't scripted anything. So yeah, that's the number one activity for today. The second one, I'm not teaching that, so I can, channel my energy this way. The second one I want to do is to edit a video. It's a tutorial of a long dress. I don't know if I think I will have posted it before this vlog, definitely. So I filmed the video last week, and I just want to edit it so that it can go up either today or tomorrow. Editing takes time, guys, and currently not working with anybody else on the editing arm. It's not been fun, guys. The time I'm supposed to be creating design or sewing or filming tutorial, I use it in editing, and wow, this is our life. Let me quickly chip in something. One thing I have learned when it comes to productivity is that it is important to set your goal. But when you do that, make sure that you highlight 1 or 2 activities that can give you fulfillment. Yes, you may have a long list of things to do, and most times we over-exaggerate our strengths and underestimate the time it takes to do certain things. But once you have 1 or 2 parts of your goal for that day that you know when you do this it's going to make you happy, and usually it's the most difficult, you know, of all the activities. What happens is automatically your brain will push it backward and make you to procrastinate, and then you tell yourself, I'll do this later, let me just quickly do this simple one, I'll do that later. Guys, you keep pushing it and procrastinating. If you're going to be productive, you have to learn to eat that frog. Yeah, I read a book by Brian Tracy. Tracy Eats That Frog, and that was where I learned that principle of doing the most difficult task first. And when you do that, the other activities, they become easier for you to do. Now, even if you don't end up achieving everything on your to-do list, the fact that you have done the most important ones keeps you happy, it keeps you motivated to do other things. So the elephant in the room for me today is to film that video. And I just concluded that I will do that today. Oh. Not as if I planned it before today. So that's why my brain is, so I'm kind of thinking it. I'm not ready. Am I really ready? Have I done it? But I'll get it done, guys.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times.
Oh my. What did I tell you guys about eating the largest frog first? Yeah, I just finished recording this video. It took me longer than I expected. That's the how much YouTube paid me video. Guys, when I wanted to start, I wasn't so sure I was ready to do it. Like I said, I didn't have a script earlier on. I haven't prepared my mind. It has just been in my planner. I use a planner Trello on my phone where I put some topics I'm planning to film about. So it's been there, and I felt, okay, this week I need to film a sit-down talk video. I looked through the topic and I picked up that one. And I started thinking of what I'm supposed to discuss if I'm discussing this. And I wasn't sure whether to share how to share my screen. No, not how. Whether to share the screen and all that. I was not really sure of a lot of things. The definition of some terms like CPM, RPM. I was not really very sure, but just a little checks here and there, and I've been able to film the video, and I'm so happy. Yes, editing it, I recorded my screen, so I have to layer it on the main video, and I'm thinking it will take long. But guys, that video, I'm thinking it will be interesting, and you are going to love it. If I've uploaded it already, I'll drop a link above, and if I haven't, I think I'll still drop it when I do upload it. I didn't know I would enjoy filming it this much, but I thoroughly enjoyed myself filming this. On to the next things. Let me clear up all of this place, then I'll come and sit down properly. We did it, Joe.
If there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart.
Students are making their first corsets. One of them just brought her own practical for me to see. So for first trial, I won't complain, Sha. Let's wait for the other people, but we are still going to have to do this over and over again for them to get a hang on it. How was your first corset, guys? How was mine? I think mine was okay, Shabo. If your first trial on anything is not okay, it is okay for it not to be okay. Don't let that stop you from trying things. It's okay for it not to be fine. You're going to start again and do it better with that experience this time. So yeah, she really tried anyways on her first trial. Once every one of them is true, we'll go through all of them, see where we need to make corrections, and make sure that the next one gets better. It gets better, guys. It does get better.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the
Don't you just love this piece? Look at it. This exaggerated sleeve tutorial is on the channel. If I remember, I'll put the link in the description box. Otherwise, just check for structured sleeve on the channel, and you can learn how to make this corset in our corset masterclass. You learn 2 types of corset, different types of corset, so that you can have like a general understanding, and you can then create what you want. If you haven't subscribed to this channel at this point, kindly do that. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Guys, a quick question: long vlogs or shorter vlogs, which do you prefer? Let me know what you think in the comment section. For now, my vlogs are above 20 minutes, like some 30 minutes. Anyways, if you have watched this vlog up to this point, let me know in the comment section. Just drop the main G in the comment section, so that way I will know that you watched up to this point, and we can appreciate you properly. Thank you so much. So at this point, I want to say a huge thank you to Beth Chris Fashion Academy. The owner of that account has been a member of this channel for a couple of months, I think 2 months thereabouts. Thank you so much, Beth Chris Clothing. And another person I want to give a shout out to is Blemon. I checked one of my previous comments and I noticed she changed her name to Blemon, but she used to be Obianuju the first. So thank you so much, Obianuju. Thank you so much, Blemon. I appreciate your input, your words of encouragement, and the fact that you're watching and you let me know in the comment section like all the time. I always see your comments and I really appreciate you. I love you for that. Thanks for the support. I don't always remember to do this, but I know I've mentioned I'll be giving out shout out to those that engage more on the channel. Just my own way of recognizing those people really supporting what I am doing. Like, we don't have this channel without you guys. I can put up content and nobody watches. It does not make any sense. You get it?
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before.
Hi, subscribers.
Hello.
If there's only one thing you remember from me.
So for some of us, we know already that this is where we are supposed to be. Everything that has happened in our life has led us to this point. We are not even doubting the fact that we are in the right place. For me, for instance, I know that I'm in the right place. Like, I'm not rich. This money in the fashion designing industry, I must make it. We must make it, guys. And I've told myself, I know that I need to work really hard and smart, okay? I don't have an option to work only smart and not work hard. I don't have to choose to work smart and not hard. I have to do the both together, work hard, put in the whole of my energy, and still do it smartly. There are many people that work very hard, but they've not gotten that wisdom to succeed. Wisdom comes from understanding and knowledge. That means you have to be knowledgeable, you have to understand what you're doing, and let God put his blessing on that thing. So I'm just sharing my own reality with you guys. I know that I need to work hard and I need to work really smartly. That means I don't have the leverage of wasting my time on frivolities. I have to focus on what I'm here to, fulfilling purpose in this career, what I'm here to do. At least for now, that is what it is. God can decide, okay, I will inspire you to do something else in the future, and that's fine, guys. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Not everybody that I know that has worked hard and has worked smart at anything consistently, guys, I must add that one, consistently, they've succeeded at it. But what happens most time is you start, with all the ginger, all the energy, and then you stop because for whatever reason, discouragement, people, money, and all that. If you are consistent, guys, there is room for this molar wealth. Aside from that, the fulfillment and peace of mind you get from doing what you're supposed to be doing, it's mind-blowing. It's so guys, let me get to work. I think this vlog has been taking so much of my time today. Like, I'm into you guys. I'm just enjoying myself because I'm not in the classroom today. These are the days I get to do things like this, so let's make it count. Okay, editing time. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning. Thank you guys for joining me on today's vlog. It's a one-day vlog. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do that, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, ladies and guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe. Hit it.